Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull chart. Start by opening the app or desktop, select Charts, enter a ticker, choose a time frame, and pick Candles. Add one or two indicators like a moving average or RSI, adjust colors and line thickness for clarity, then save your layout as a template to reuse every day. Configure indicators carefully to keep charts readable and actionable. Start with one or two indicators such as a 50 SMA and RSI at 14, then avoid clutter by limiting to 3 indicators total. Use drawing tools to mark support and resistance and save annotated screenshots for review. Practice switching time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 1 day to see trend context. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum makes life easier by handling floors so you can focus on charts. It has voice control and smart mapping for precise cleaning. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you enjoy deals, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. Save custom chart templates to speed setup and keep consistent analysis. Name templates clearly, include preferred indicators, candle style, and time frames, then load them when starting a new chart. Set price alerts or indicator alerts to get notified when conditions match your plan, and test alerts to ensure they trigger. Review templates monthly and refine to match evolving strategies.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.